just a quick video here today. The 25th of July 2003 because it's finished in 1999, but they've actually not yet. It's Arentitie. Oh, yeah, it's F. There's no mistake, you see.
Yeah.
Let's see, but it's 993041. It's in Malminkartano, Helsinki, Finland. And we also filmed the Stakes J, which also has it.
Yeah.
It's not important, but it's still early Amsler with 7 indicator.
Yeah.
And it should have been inspected in 2019, but it was delayed.
Yeah.
But it's a really weird residential building that was finished in 1999, because not all of the stakes has got elevators.
Yeah.
We're going to check which ones have and which don't.
Yeah.
Maybe numbers. F seems to have it.
Yeah.
F has also.
Inspected by inspector, maintained by Schiller.
It has this wooden panel.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
That's